Hey, Mr. G here, and I'm going to show you a really cool A minor alternative open chord. Now, this is what it looks like and sounds like. Now, what we'll do here is on the sixth string, go ahead and play that open E. Then on the fifth string, or the A string, play that open A. So we're going to mute that fourth string, and we're going to mute it by using our ring finger. So we're going to play that note on the 14th fret, third string with our ring finger, that A note. And then the top part of that ring finger, we're going to use to mute the fourth string. Then our middle finger, we're going to place on the 13th fret, second string, to play that C. And then our index finger, we're going to place on the 12th fret, first string, to play that E. And when you put them all together, it sounds like this. Again, that's a really cool A minor alternative open chord. Hope you enjoyed the video. Keep on jamming.